Yo, me and my dog finna be raiding on their hood as
bro.
Yeah, same their hood. We gonna be playing as lockers, bro. We gonna be blatant as fuck. We not gonna hide. If we get shit on, we flying. We teleporting. Doing all that.
We ain't legit, by the way.
Legit, bro. Fuck all that. You feel me? Hey, what the fuck? You dead, bitch. My mama. Yeah,
let me.
Hey, look. Why give me anything like that?
First nigga I see, I kill him. So.
Hey, I killed Pup and X089781. And I'm finna kill Zombie.
Why am I lagging? I'm lagging. Shit bad too.
What's up in the whole server? Come here. If y'all want my shit, you know what I'm saying, just check.
We stomp zone cat.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Just stomp that nigga. Wait, we stomp at Dev Copo.
I just don't. Diamond Farheart. I just don't. I'm black. Hey, look. They awesome. Hey, get everybody here.
Nigga the other day. I was literally killing this nigga the other day.
Playing his ass again.
Hey, you killing me? Come here. Hey.
I'm ready. Kill me, Carl.
Got you.
I don't got too many ops, nigga. Fuck.
Shut that nigga down. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Hey.
Oh my God, I'm still alive. I'm going first.
Hey, this shit bad. Hey, I was just lagging my ass off, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I stumped so many damn niggas. I don't know who I'm shooting. I'm dead ass. Get shit off my screen, nigga. But I ain't got no stand up this bitch.
If
I got my help out from you, nigga.
I need that gun, bro. I need that one gun. So like, I mean, damn. I need my hood back up so I can just heal, you know, or my bullets reload.
Nigga said,
oh, when my bullets reload. That should be so easier.
I like when they say holy lock. That mean my shit's tapping. I like when I know my shit's tapping.
That just means something. Fuck you doing? Fuck you doing? Why are you shooting me? Shoot me. I want him to shoot me.
I
want that nigga to shoot me. Alright. Come back.
Oh, my shit start shooting.
What wrong?
Hey, kill Kai Bands too. Hey, I think some mod in this bitch. Hold on. Alright, stop fighting. I'm gonna leave. Hold on. Let me make sure. Hey, yep, leave. He flying. Nigga did slash fly.
Oh yeah, join me.
I'm here.
We finna get lit.
New server, bro. Fuck that mod. You ain't catching us just yet, nigga.
Yeah, nah. I ain't had my fun yet.
No ass don't. Hey, I killed YRST Shruly. What's up gonna kill? Slime, get him? I don't like your name. God, I don't. I killed Slime, get him, and Pup, hurt. Nigga said move, dog. I don't know why niggas talk shit like that. I'm not gonna move just because you said that shit now, nigga. I was gonna move anyways, but that's finna make me target even more, bro. The fuck you talking about, dog? Bitch, come back. Alright, let's lock it. Fuck. Nigga said random. Who the fuck says random in 2026, nigga? Nobody say that shit.
Hey, ain't we killing zombie cat?
That's a nigga. Hey, that nigga following us too. That nigga hot service. Kinda rank.
Bro. I'm gonna follow that nigga. You gonna be mad as fuck.
Nigga said obese. Fuck. Because I can. Kill kill you too. Let me kill you too. Let me kill you. I'm dead. Zombie cat killed
You
me. Talk, man. Talk, man. Talk, man. Talk, man.
Where's nigga?
Bitch. Go side me.
Yeah, I got my shit.
Where's zombie cat at? Right? Come back. Please come back. Come on. Oh my god, really clean this way. Oh, there his ass. I don't know that bitch. Bro, I hate when you lock onto that the macro gets.
Not mine.
Alright, hold my shit.
Sit him down.
He right there.
I want a nigga to come by me. I want him to come by me.
You right there, nigga. Nigga, he right there. What are you
I did not
doing,
see this nigga.
I
didn't see him, bro. He trash. This zombie cat nigga think he's so tough. He stoned me 7 times. Alright, nigga. Don't ever put his video on a nigga like that again.
That's legit, bro. Everybody know that.
Where the fuck did zombie cat go? Sound like he. It seemed like he oughta. It seemed like.
Lock.
Yeah, he blatant. I want to have a hack off with a nigga anyway.
You gonna put his shit to work? I'm low.
I got you, bro. I want a nigga to come my way. Hey, he fake macroing. He ain't even hot at this shit.
Damn, nigga. Holy fuck.
I don't give a fuck though, bro. Of course, I played it. Niggas gotta feel me.
This nigga hacked. Nigga teleport out the damn thing. Fuck out here. He left. Who this is? I'm gonna kill you too.
Why this nigga keep falling? Kill us or something.
Check my gun scan.
Hey, let's stay here for a second. See if anybody come back.
I'm hitting the way. I'm trying to find my gun. This shit work.
Anybody who come down here getting killed.
I like this.
Who this is? Who the fuck is February 12th?
I don't know.
I killed that nigga too. Dumbass nigga.
Any nigga that hit a shot on me while I'm macroing, they automatically.
Yeah, he just targeted you. He don't even want to kill me.
I'm gonna kill these niggas.
He just targeted you like that. Come on, who are you? Alright, come up here.
Oh my. Oh, need lock.
I want this nigga to come up here. Don't fight him yet. Let me do it. I want to do it. To fight a nigga for a minute. Hey, somebody else hacking.
I seen that shit.
You will never hack on me like this.
Hey, he teleported. Hey, hell no.
Yeah, you will never catch me.
Fuck, nigga. Nigga teleported right on me, bitch. Fuck out of here. Let's go.
Talking about just hard cheats. I'll make you leave too.
Hey, nigga, under the map. Hey.
Give a fuck no more.
Hey, February 14th, that nigga hacked. Nigga in the air now. That thing's a hope. Come this way. Bitch ass nigga. That shit trash. Oh my mama. I killed nigga while I'm on the ground here in the air.
Shield plates, I mean.
You in, you dead. I ain't gonna.
So what the fuck is he talking about? Are you scared? What is he? This nigga genuinely chatting, bro. Like, yo. Nigga, hey, he turned on fling. This nigga turned on fling like that's finna do something. All right, bro.
I can't lie.
I'm just confused on what this nigga think I'm scared of. Nigga gonna ask me, am I scared?
Ew, there's like...
This shit is horrible.
That's the wrong lock, huh? Alright, you got that shit. What the fuck this shit? Slap up? Come here, bitch. Don't run. You're not running from me. Bitch.
Nigga just talk. Hey, you know how he just flung me. This nigga gon' talk in chat talking about play me legit, bro. You're bad. Like I wasn't just playing legit.
Yeah, bro. Nice one.
Yeah, he gonna come fling me.
What, bro? He's ass. His ass sucks.
I'm putting this nigga down while he say easy too. That's what's making it more funny, cause he genuinely think his hat's doing something. He got this some computer ass hacks.
How the fuck do you? I ain't even locked on you, nigga. You just naturally trash.
What's this nigga using? Yeah, he bladed.
I already know.
You and I can't play legit. Hold on.
Did we kill the cheat?
Can you send me the server?
Kill her. Kill her.
Hey, my lock on everything.
This girl just killed them.
Hey, bitch. Shut your ass down. I want that nigga to try to flame me.
He trying to flame me. Hey, let me flop. Oh, let me get right. Fuck out here. Oh, bitch ass. Hey, I swear I just seen this. My eye. Here she go.
Hey, he can't die. Hey, he got something. He can't die.
He can die. Man.
He orbited me again.
Who were these?
I don't know.
Hey, kill everybody at school.
I got my gang
Kill
out.
everybody. Every single body at school, kill them now.
Hold
It's
on,
like
bro.
6
This
niggas
D6 and nigga just killed me, bro. I'm finna get up and do this nigga the worst way possible.
Hey, leave, owner. Hey, that nigga got a crown and a little the hammer emoji. Fuck that shit.
Hey,
Fuck that.
he a super owner, nigga.
Fuck
He built that shit.
Kill us. That'd be better. That'd be
Who you
great.
think? Like, who you know? You ain't never seen a video of a nigga hacking on a mod. Never. Hey, let's stay in this server. Let's just hack.
Yeah, making every shot on me.
Hey, if he hacking,
Hey, she fly.
Shit.
She fly. That nigga just flew in the air. Hey, just flew.
all right, bet. All right, bet. On my way. Wait, watch this. I'm on my way.
Hey, where I go? Under that map.
I killed her.
He's getting
Let's
banned.
go. Out the match.
You banned too.
Out the match.
You banned too.
Out the match. Out the match.
Nope, you're getting banned.
Talking about, she gonna hack on me. Talking about something. Let's go.
Up your ass, bro. Up your ass.
Up your ass.
Nope, you're
Up
getting
your
banned.
ass. Up your ass.
Nope,
Up
you're
your
getting
ass.
Up your ass.
You wanna hack on me for no reason?
Up your ass.
That's funny. Let's run.
No,
We
you're
running
getting
it
banned.
right now. Hey, you shoot me. Both in here. This is owner and his mine. Oh God, just don't. Oh God.
Oh, my Roblox account got banned.
I told you that shit not trusted.
No, they
I
got
told
me.
you that shit not
No,
trusted.
they got me for my nigga. They got me for on voice chat harassment and swearing.
Nigga said fly. Nigga, wise fold, bitch. You gonna put that fold. Hey, they banned me. Hey, she reported me too. I got
Your Roblox account got banned too? Let's clip. You ready?
I'm getting it. Let's go.
Hey, he can't die. He can't.
We got God mode.
Hey.
Yo, what's going on?
They trying to... You banned no. So everybody out
I'm
this
finna come
bitch.
back.
What's up? Wow. I'm gonna go back.
Look at
one
this.
more time. Let me not get it killed. Let me not.
Nigga, they banned me for almost 2 years.
Ban me. Ban me. Baby. I'm gonna get a stomp. Bitch. I'm gonna get my kills. I ain't going out like that. I ain't been. Pussy. He jumped me in the sky. You know what I'm saying? Comment a video, bro. Like up, sub up. You want what I use, bro? You know what I'm saying? I have my Discord on the server, or you know what I'm saying? Check the description, bro. Maybe you'll get that shit, maybe you won't.